Hello there guys, welcome back to our channel. And I've just moved on to Albufeira, the strip. I've got the clay oven in the background there. I've just come to check it out. It's Thursday, 23rd of January. See what's open, so come and join me guys. Well, the clay oven's shut. Doesn't look like it's temporary, looks like it's going to be shut for a few weeks. It's a cracking Indian restaurant, that, if you've never been to it. Still really nice temperature, 17-18 degrees. I have took my hoodie off and I've just got a t-shirt on with some jogging bottoms. It's warm enough. Let's go and check what's happening, if anything's happening at all on the strip. I think it might have been easy to drive down here. Doesn't look like there's much life at all. Mexican's closed. And Korea Live Sports, that's closed. Don't know if they open in the evening. We're still only late afternoon. Bit of life around here, can hear a bit of music. The Terrace. That's open, a few people in there. Lisa's restaurant. That's open. There's a couple of souvenir shops open. Blue Star Cafe is open. Yeah, I've never been this time of year before guys, so seen it for the first time. Legends is open. But there's not much open. I'll speed it up and get down to Borda Beach. And nothing open at all guys. Looks like there's been some refurbishment on the Dublin cocktail bar. Whoops. Oh. Ghost town. Plenty of construction work going on now. Doner Kebab's open. Not much else guys. We've got Hotel Algarve there in the background. Club Heaven and Matt's Bar. All closed. Ice cream stall open guys, but unfortunately no one to buy them. El Rancho, that's even closed. The Mexican and steak restaurant. No, it's ghost town guys. I think I better head down to Ora Beach, see if there's anything happening there. There's one restaurant that I intend to do a vlog on early this year. The market. Supposed to be excellent in there. Yeah, quite a lot of places are under refurbishment. We'll drop down Cardiac and get onto Ora Beach. Just passing Ora View Beach Club. There is people in there. BJ's Café Bar at the roundabout's open. Looks like San Martino Pizzeria is open. Borda D'Água is open. We've still got some nice views though, guys. Sea's a little bit rough. All the restaurants along the beachfront are open. There's a nice one ahead of us called Vivaldos. If you'd like to check it out, we've done a vlog on that. Really beautiful views from that restaurant as well. There is a few people at Vivaldos. There is one more further on, but that's closed. So guys, that's what the new town is like in January. If you like it nice and quiet, then it's for you. If you're the ones that come in the summer, I don't think you'll like it, guys. People still on the beach though. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.